you guys are going to take a couple of our audience questions.
I'm excited about
First
this.
up is Gloria. She's in the red right here.
Hi, Gloria.
Hi.
My niece is having a baby. This is the second time around for her.
Okay.
So I want to know, what are the current trends for baby showers?
Nice.
Oh, I don't know.
Okay. Well,
I'm going to take my tea and go over here.
Well, hang
I'm the mom of a dog, so, you know.
But if I had to call on someone to throw me an excellent baby shower, I feel like Rachel
I know, I
put in
feel
a good
like
effort.
this is the place to come. We'll do it right here.
Well, it's the second time around, so it's technically a sprinkle, right? We're gonna give her some thoughtful things, not necessarily the deluge and the production of the first shower, but something fun and something that shows that you really love her and care about her and wanted to make it fun for her.
Books are always a great thing. I mean, I know I don't know about you, but with my kids, we read all the time.
Constantly.
So this one is one of my favorite books. I don't know, Chicka Chicka Boom Boom. And it's great because there's a lot of repetition and the kids can start to memorize it and read along even when they can't read. And so can I give this to you?
Yes, of course. I love Chicka Chicka Boom Boom.
And you can write like a nice little thing, Chicka Chicka Boom Boom, will there be enough room?
What I love about this kind of gift giving, though, is like, you can just ask the guests, everyone bring your favorite book. You get such a diversity and a collection. You can also register for books so you don't end up with like 100 Where the Wild Things Are.
Oh, I love that.
Isn't that
a
nice?
registry for books. I love that. And, you know, it's so sad when you see literally babies swiping. A book is a beautiful thing that they'll cherish for all of their lives.
Very true. And it's very, very important.
The way you inscribe it, it's really fun because then they remember who was there and who was part of their parents' life. I'm going to give this one to you, Hilaria. I'll write it for you and the kids later. But we were given this book at Philomena's 5th birthday, and her friend put a little, like one of those passport photos, a little postcard photo of himself, wrote a little name. It was the most adorable thing, and we literally have to read it every single night because she knows it was given to her on her birthday and this whole thing. So we love the idea of a
really
library
sweet.
little gift.
Another great one is a macaroon cake. Now, I'm sure that these two ladies can probably make macaroons. I cannot.
But why would you bother?
But you could buy them, and they turn out so nicely. And you can just get like one of these like really cool plates, and you can set it up.
I love the tiers, and I love mixing it with fresh cut flowers.
Beautiful.
Gorgeous.
I love this. Mini ice cream cones. I love this. I think this is so fun. And it's all about saving yourself some time, too.
Okay.